Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1955 Chevy Bel Air. That's right folks, we have another Bel Air to our collection of cool cars here at Skyway Classics. This one we have here featuring a two-tone maroon and white exterior. Of course you see it may look a little bit of velvet, so it's pretty much how you see it in the sunlight. Other than that, it has the chrome 5-spoke style wheels on it. We like to call them Torx because that's how much pretty much all of them look like nowadays. As we move on to the inside, as you can see, it is an automatic on the column. We can start off by seeing that the dash has been painted the exact maroon or velvet as on the outside. Other than that, you can see that it has an aftermarket style column with the tilt included. Definitely a nice introduction there. Other than that, you have an updated cluster, very accurate. Only reading 567 miles on it. Of course, that's not really true. Other than that, you see we have a later model retro sound radio with the speakers put in right there at the dash. We have a nice little beige combination with the bench seat here. Same for the back seat. You can see that it is in very good condition. In fact, even if you take a look at the headliner, how those little chrome trim pieces come across the sides there. Other than that, you can see we have the vents for the vintage AC system. We have our old school window cranks and vent windows with cranks as well. As we move underneath the hood, featuring a Vortec motor, very updated, very modernized for this type of vehicle. Definitely more reliable than the old-fashioned 327, 350, or even if you're lucky, a 283 small block. But of course, we have a little bit of traffic, so it's holding us up right now. But as soon as we get a minute, we'll open it up for you. Now taking off, as you can see. Absolutely no hesitation. And of course, the underneath is as solid as the top, having that nice little dual exhaust coming down there from the back. But as you can see, we're going about 50 miles right now. Everything is as stable as it should be. Temperatures are around 190. I would like to say 195 to be accurate, but she is a smooth cruiser, a very nice little car. And of course, as you know, if you'd like to see more cool cars, please visit skywayclassics.com. Take a look at the YouTube page. But as for now, we are just going to get this one turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.